Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can delete an application or a website from Cloudways. Now I have created a lot of tutorials on Cloudways. You can just go to the playlist and check this Cloudways tutorial and then you will discover all the latest tutorials on Cloudways. Now let's get back to our tutorial. Now after logging into Cloudways admin area, you just click on this application. And in this application, you will be seeing all the websites you have added to Cloudways Hosting. Now let's say this dummy application we are going to delete. Now for that, what we need to do, in the right side there is a three dot, simply click on that and then you have to click on delete application. As soon as you click on delete application, it will give you a pop-up. In that pop-up you have to write delete and then click on delete application. So you can see removing application has been started and it will take some time to update it. Let's wait for that. So you can see that dummy app has been uninstalled. Now again we'll go back to applications. So you can see that the application we have deleted has been removed from this area. So that's all in this tutorial. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.